Swadikap. How are you?
How are you?
Okay.
See you again.
I don't see you long time.
Yeah, long time. You come.
Where you hide? You hiding?
How are you?
Good.
Good.
I don't stay in Pattanam, that's why I cannot visit you.
You come to see me.
Yeah. Oh, now you got new washer and dryer, huh?
Yeah, washing dry again.
Oh.
Same.
You make a lot of money, that's why.
Now.
I stay Sukhumvit.
The COVID also far. How you come to
I
see
know,
me?
I come
You
here.
like come over here? Yeah.
I like
we catch,
visiting.
we catch the bus just to come here.
Thank you very much. Oh, very nice. I'm just back to you every time we forget this one.
I told him you're the best laundry.
Ah,
That's why I come all
thank
to
you
the
very
here.
much. Yes, only some of the people come. Can do the best every time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6.
Okay.
How are you? Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
You still working hard, huh?
Yeah, not hard. Your name again?
Mel. Mel. M-E.
E L. Oh, I remember you.
I know, I remember you too.
I remember your face, but not remember your name.
Yeah, I forgot your name. Hold on, what's your name?
Boy.
Oi.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
Oi.
Koi,
Oi.
K.
Oi.
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 Yes.
Oh, oi.
Oi.
Okay.
Bill,
Okay,
thank
you want
you
me
very
to pay
much.
now?
No, Monday.
Monday I pay.
Yeah, you come Monday again.
Okay, my bill is, what is it, 70 baht?
70 baht.
Huh?
Washing dry. Yes, 70 baht. 76.
70 baht for all that. Okay.
That's okay?
Very good.
Very good.
You had happy Halloween? No?
I don't know Halloween.
You don't know?
I'm Thai people.
Gotta go downtown, yeah?
I don't know Halloween.
Yeah.
I forget yesterday Halloween. Oh, I don't know.
That's American holiday.
Yeah, not holiday. Thailand no have.
Yeah.
Now Thailand is Saturday. The Saturday.
Holiday tomorrow what?
Tomorrow
Sunday.
sleeping.
Sunday.
Yeah,
You
sleeping.
go temple.
No. Sleeping and go to eating with family. Cooking.
Oh, spend with family.
Yeah.
Very good. You have big family.
Yeah. Oh no. Only one husband. Me and my husband.
One son. Son not married.
Not married.
No, hurry up.
My son speak Japan.
Oh,
Yeah.
but tell him to get married so you can be grandma.
Yeah, I'm really but he
You don't want.
Some now the new generation.
This is it. Swadikap. Well, I'm too early. Too early.
Monday.
Busy Monday. Oh, because you have 2 days off, that's why.
Monday from the people coming on Monday.
Oh, I thought you put beer in there. What is that?
For smell.
For smell.
Not smell, for smell.
Oh, where's the card?
Huh?
Business card.
No.
No have.
This one, you take picture. You contact me by this one.
Yeah, I like business card.
No have.
Okay,
Don't have mail. How are you?
good.
Good. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. Where's my receipt? You have to write your name down so I can correct it. So I don't
Yeah, I
forget
have. What?
your name.
Ah. My name.
Yeah.
The short name, right?
No, your name.
Oh, my name. It's full name.
Oh, just first name.
Yeah. These short Thai people, they have a short name. Short. Full name.
Oi.
And surname. Okay.
Okay, you have line?
Have line. With line. This number. Her phone, but line the same.
This number line.
Yeah, number phone too. No. The same.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh wait. I have to-
Okay. Are you traveling all place?
I don't know. I will get massage now.
Huh?
I get massage now.
Oh, where? This shop?
Palladium.
Huh?
Palladium.
Palladium.
Yeah.
Many massage this year.
You get massage too?
No.
No. How the work you do?
My friend.
Your friend?
Yeah, friend
Oh.
take massage here.
Oh, you get free
Not this year.
massage.
Free.
Yeah.
We are have friend to massage.
Lucky.
Lucky. Not
like-
go to shop.
I like see your friend. Your friend massage me too.
Yeah.
Free.
This shop. This shop is อะไรนะร้านพี่นันที่อะไร That way.
Oh,
We good massage.
good massage. What name of shop?
What the name? อย่าลืมฉัน Forget me not.
Forget me not.
Yeah, อย่าลืมฉัน That's one.
Right on the street.
Yeah, that's straight. That's straight.
Oh, I didn't see that shop.
Yeah.
Oh. What's your friend name?
None.
Nan.
Yeah.
I asked for Nan. Then.
Yeah, none.
I get free, yeah?
You tell her. My friend. Oi friend.
Or you send me.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, see
Oh.
you.
You don't need.
Oh, I need.
Oh.
Okay.